Let me see if they can see the Tron. Can see Tron live. Guys, may wait on the Tron right to come back round. Hopefully come back round before we. Oh, so I got on there now. Yeah. And then I go up at one part. My God, it don't look like me I go get to see it. Oh, yeah, the greetings. I want Pali. See that I come road. Wanna see it? Wanna see the Tron? Jeez. I go and Pali big up yourself. What are we here early? 2. Thank you. Watch there. Ready, we're ready. Now watch everybody, guys. This nice though. Welcome in, guys. Big up on yourself. Thanks for being here. Hey guys, remember say me I bring on up and ride all day now. Enjoy a while, yeah, wrap up work. That is it, Pally. That is it. But like when you multitask, hello, try to make your manager see you know, come. Remember, I tell you, say, if anything, yeah, you have to make her say you're good first. So understand? Lady Royal, walk on, big up. All right, so we are now up for time. Yes, man, are we that? Are we that? Welcome in. All right, Pally, later. Big up yourself. Thank you for checking in. Appreciate you. Appreciate it. For your safety, stay seated during the flight with your hands, arms, feet, and legs. Hey, this little bitty. It's just it's so long it down. Earpiece. All right, that no bad. You don't? All right, then. All right, guys, we're ready. I know. Lord have mercy. Hold on to the loose items. All right, guys, we're ready. Sit now. Thank you. Cheers. Let's go. Up there, up there, up there, up there. This not look safe. This not look safe, guys. Murder! Almighty Jesus Christ! Murder! Me move with it! Why? That done already, that fast. That just done so quick, so. No look of substance, no look of cool down. Wow. Lady Royal, alright? I never too loud. I don't know why 100 down over here. On the thing say, look right can hold everybody. Right, we are growing again? Oh, my thing said them are big run again. Thank you guys. Big up on yourself. Oh, Jesus, that did nice. That did nice. Oh, the pushy. That was fun. See there? That did nice. Big up on yourself, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn your notification bell on. Watch there. Ride. Turn your notification bell on because we are ride all day. All day. The rain just roll up so we're outside. So anytime when we jump on a ride, Wanna get the notification so no jump on it with me. Me don't want nobody late like all Tasha come in here when you ride down